We are pleased to show you the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, remote keyless entry, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.